Congratulations.
Thank you.
बधाइयाँ बधाइयाँ. How are you feeling?
अभी जैसा फीलिंग सेट इन हुआ नहीं है, कुछ आया नहीं है. Like I also haven't met her since I've come. So once I probably see her is when ऐसा लगेगा कि हो रहा है.
अब हो रहा है.
हाँ.
8 साल बाद.
Exactly 8 years actually. 28th of November 2013 is when I asked her out. Coincidentally, we're getting married on the same date. Like I don't know, ऐसे सब बोलते हैं कि लड़के इमेजिन नहीं करते कि मेरी शादी ऐसा होगा. मैंने किया था.
I've never even thought like what does marriage mean to me. For me, it just means Ritij and me being together, being able to live the perfect life and be happy.
यहाँ वहाँ सारा जहां डूबा है प्यार में, किसको है पता आखिर क्या है इज़हार में.
Were you worried about the cultural differences?
Yes. I come from a very different family. She comes from a very different family. My thing is, I don't want to do something जैसे जिसमें किसी का दिल दुखे. Especially my family, like my parents more than anyone else. And at the same point of time, like मेरा भी तो दिल है, वो भी तो नहीं टूटना चाहिए. Finding that balance is where the struggle was there. Because ऐसे हमारी family में nobody is actually married out of their circles. And ये तो फिर भी नेपाल से है.
He is dal makhni rajma person. I am butter chicken momo person. We are poles apart. I know, but we still like happy together. I just need to enjoy. पति देव आप जाए यहाँ से. Bro, go. That's because you weren't there. You know, Ashish, he went shopping right now on his Mehendi day. That's why I'm pissed with him. Like, who does that? Go now. Acha, go. Let me finish this. Chal. Notanki. Okay, bye, bro. Go. Now, don't spoil my thing. Bye.
सभी चाहते हैं जिंदगी में हो एक साथी, जिसकी हो एक कहानी आसान सी मुश्किल नहीं.
मुझे जानना हो तो पहचान लो मेरी यादें, तभी होंगी बातें ख्वाबों में आते जाते.
When I joined college, you're supposed to do that 5 years down the line. Where do you see yourself? And then Ritij says, 5 years down the line, I see myself become a millionaire. And everyone was like, oh, and all. I was like, who is this person who is so obsessed, thinks no end of himself? क्या समझता है खुद को ये बंदा?
So obviously, like she didn't also talk to me. It was very surprising. Yeah, like why would someone not talk to me? Because in my head, मैं hero.
One day he walks into the class in shorts and t-shirt, yawning. And I found it very cute. I still tell him that I think that was the moment I fell in love with you.
She liked me from day one, but वो claim नहीं करती.
None of us have proposed to one another. The wedding is happening. We still haven't proposed to each other. It's just going on. We're just going with the flow.
यकीन है मुझे मेरे दिल पे, गुजरा कल जो भी हो तेरे संग हूँ मैं, ये वादा है चाहे जो भी हो. मगर जान ले तू प्यार उतना भी मुश्किल नहीं, अगर है भरोसा दोस्ती पे तू थाम ले. मेरे हाथ हंसते हंसते तेरी खुशी मंजिल मेरी, हम दोनों है राही रास्तों का साहिल यही. मुझे जानना हो तो पहचान लो मेरी यादें, तभी होगी बातें जिंदगी नई नई यादें. मुझे जानना तो पहचान लो मेरी यादें, तभी
Srishti and I started dating on this very day 8 years ago. Yeah, so I still remember जब समीक्षा और सृष्टि चंडीगढ़ आए थे SRP प्रोजेक्ट के लिए एंड फिर जब हम वापस गए थे कॉलेज तो ऐसा सृष्टि को ऐसा ऑब्लिगेशन सा फील हुआ क्योंकि जब सृष्टि चंडीगढ़ आई थी तो आई जस्ट शोड हर अराउंड। I think what happened was this was 2013 का जो दिवाली का टाइम था. So we had this project called Social Responsibility Project. उससे पहले ऐसे क्लास में वो बताया था कि सब लोग कहाँ जा रहे हैं. तो उसमें I saw सृष्टि का नेम in चंडीगढ़. So I was like, this is my shot. I must figure this out.
Then we had to go to Chandigarh for a particular project, and I think that was when it all started. But there was no love that started. It was friendship that began, and
then once they reached Chandigarh, I was like, मैं pick कर लेता हूँ, मैं drop कर देता हूँ, कहाँ जाना है मैं लेके चलता हूँ. So then I showed her around also. There's no one thing I can put a finger on. Because मेरे लिए तो ऐसे रोज आज तक ऐसा day one वाला feel आता है मेरे को तो सृष्टि को देखकर. सृष्टि लिख दो ना. SRISHT है. This is what I want to go ahead with, and this is the person I'll eventually want to be with. फिर I think college में we dated for like 1.5 years during the college, and ऐसे जब college was leaving, right? So I didn't get a job in Gurgaon. I got it in Bangalore. So now in my experience, like whatever I had seen, long distances never worked. ऐसा लगता नहीं है ना कि yours will also work. But I was like, I will make it work. I used to book tickets like 1 month, 2 months, 3. तब ऐसा होता था कि the more you advance में you book, the cheaper tickets got. So I used to figure it out to get like 30 minutes of FaceTime with her. This went on for a very long while.
generic conversations that we have, and I don't know when he just picks them up and he just happens to make them happen. Like he's like there to do it. And I'm always shocked, how does this guy manage all of these things? Like he'll figure a way out to just allow those things to happen for me. It's magical sometimes, like what he does for me.
अजनबी अज बणिया नबी पाके ओनू निखरा होर वी बड़के हल्दी शगना दियो रची सोना होया दिल वी रूह वी.
At that point of time, like I didn't have a very high paying job or something, so I had to plan in advance because it's a long distance. Everybody says nahi chalta. It's the money which makes it work. So long distance is not love, it's affordability. I think this is what long distance teaches you a lot of times, ki like you're not always going to be together. The thought that you will always be under the same sky is what like keeps it together. इतने भी दूर तो नहीं है ना. That's why I'm not able to put into words. Like I can't explain you that feeling every time I meet her. I just try to look for that 1 second extra. 1 second और मिल जाए.
तेरे नाल नाल गुजारा दिन साल बिलिया सांसें हुण नचदी फिरे धड़कन हुण टपदी फिरे नैना च तेरे जो खुद नू वेखिया सांसें हुण नचदी फिरे धड़कन हुण टपदी फिरे नैना च तेरे जो खुद नू वेखिया सोहनी हो गई जद जद वेखिया.
Destiny का ये होता है कि it exists. Now the point is how do you reach there? I feel it was destined to be because I wanted to ensure that it's destined to be.
नैना च मेरे माही मेरा वसिया
The first time I met Ritij was a chance meeting. My family, we are at Big Chill in Khan Market. We are celebrating my sister's birthday. We were just waiting for them to change us to another table. And this fellow walks up looking completely worn out. And he's like, guys, I got to know that you're being moved to another table. I'm really tired. I've had a really long day. Can I get seated on this one then? Could you wait for that one? I said, sure, absolutely. Would you like to have some water? And I see this guy pull out a red cable charger. While clicking a picture of my sister, while cutting the cake, he got caught in that picture in the background. I sent that picture to her. And I was like, ye hai kya? She's like, haan, this is him.
Yeah, but he can really be a child, I think. So for example, I'll probably let go of a few things and I'll be like, haan, theek hai yaar. But he's not like that. Both of us don't dance. Not a dancer at all. So he's like, you guys have got to do this. You guys have got to dance and at the wedding because this is happening once. So he has this thing in the mind कि एक बार हो रहा है, अच्छे से होना चाहिए.
सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी किरणें हैं सांसों में बातों में रोशनी सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी किरणें हैं सांसों में बातों में रोशनी.
I still tell him that I think that was the moment I fell in love with you. When I saw you yawn, how adorable is it?
Like I remember जब ऐसे classmates used to pass by, so I used to figure out कि वो कहाँ बैठी है. I used to sit last seat पे so that I can see if I wanted to steal a look. Like that's how I do it.
जो ही बदली दिल की ताल है आहा यूं ही आया एक ख्याल है आहा थामे हम हाथों में यूं ही हाथ शहर दिल में घूमेंगे साथ साथ सारे सारे दिन सारी सारी रात बरस रही है एक खुशी हर कहीं सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी कितनी है सांसों में बातों में रोशनी सूरज की अब है ये कितनी है सांसों में बातों में रोशनी.
What do you love about her?
I think the fact that she exists. Like I think the world would not be a better place without her. So if my universe doesn't have Srishti, like the universe is kind of sad that way.
He can be busy, I can be busy, but when we're together, it just needs to be perfect. Like happy moments.
No, no, no. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person, and she looks perfect. I don't deserve it. You look perfect tonight. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person, and she
इश्क वर्गे ते इश्क ही पल्ले इश्क ही दिसदा जेड़े इश्क च चले रूह भी तेरी मैं भी तेरा रब्बा दिला विच तेरा ही बसेरा मेले आसां दे गिणे साहां दे तैथों प्यारिया ते पीर भी तू
पीर भी तू
दीन भी तू ईमान भी तू
ईमान भी तू
प्रीत भी तू नीत भी तू मेरा यार भी तू करार भी तू
करार भी तू जिनके सर हो इश्क की छाओ पाँव के नीचे जन्नत होगी जिनके सर हो इश्क की छाओ पाँव के नीचे जन्नत होगी शाम रात में कायनात वो यार मेरा सैया सैया
चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 छैया
सारे इश्क की छाँव चल छैया छैया सारे इश्क की छाँव चल छैया पाँव जन्नत चले चल छैया छैया पाँव जन्नत चले चल छैया चल छैया 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 छैया
मदर के लिए अपना बच्चा लाडला ही होता है एक्चुअली कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं कि जो दिल के बहुत क्लोज होती हैं एंड ही इज़ आल्सो वेरी क्लोज टू माई हार्ट तो अच्छी फीलिंग आती है मन में बहुत ज़्यादा मदर को तो वो हर चीज़ उसकी प्यारी लगेगी वो इसकी हर एक्टिविटी देखती हूँ तो लाइक मैं बहुत इमोशनल होती हूँ क्योंकि बहुत सिंसियर है एंड बहुत डिसिप्लिन है और बहुत शार्प भी है और बहुत नॉटी भी है
दो नैन सितारे है चांद सा मुखड़ा क्या कहना उसका आफरीन दावत में जैसे वो शाही टुकड़ा उसके जैसी न कोई नाज़नीन शाही जोड़ा पहन के आई जो बंधन के वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट है शर्माई सी बगल में जो बैठी है दुल्हन के वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट है शाही जोड़ा पहन के आई जो बंधन के वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट है शर्माई सी बगल में जो बैठी है दुल्हन के वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट है बाबा जी बाबा क्या बात है बाबा जी बाबा क्या बात है
हीरे सहरा बांध के मैं तो देखो भाई ठीक लगा टोपी
पंडित जी इसमें पानी चाहिए ना इसको थोड़ा Are you gonna be sitting here?
ये कल चढ़ा
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू
इसमें डाल दो पंडित जी, आपका थकावट हो रही है ना।
ये डार्क सर्कल्स मिटाने में आज तो उसको तो लगेंगे टाइम, बेचारी परेशानी हो जाएगी। हाँ दीदी, बात करके जरूर टेक लाइक फॉरएवर टू रिमूव द डार्क सर्कल्स टुडे। नंगे पाँव बैठना है।
विष्णु भवभयहरं सर्वलोके एकनाथं विष्णवे नमः। इदं विष्णु चक्र में सीधा निधे पदम समूढ़ मस्त पागुं सुरे स्वाहा विष्णवे नमः विष्णवे नमः विष्णवे नमः।
भैया भैया पीछे हैं
दादी है दादी।
हाँ ये पीछे मेरी नानी है, मैंने तो देखा ही नहीं था दादी आ गई।
सानो में सृष्टि कस्तो थी
बच्चामा राम्रो थिए सानो चल चल सानैदेखि नै ऊ आफ्नो बोल्ने कुरा जो बोल्थे त्यस्तो उल्टा सिधा उसको थिएन, हर तर्फबाट राम्रो थियो उसको। सानोदेखि नै उसको स्वभावमा भिन्नै किसिमको ठुलो मान्छेको जस्तो स्वभाव थियो।
सृष्टि बदमाश थी?
खास बदमास थिएन। उसलाई एकचोटि सम्झाएपछि ऊ हर कुराबाट सम्झन्थे, सम्झने खालको केटी थिए। मलाई त लाग्छ एकदम एकाअर्कासँग हामी त एक छौँ। शिष्य सानोदेखि नै मसँग मेलमिलाप राख्ने कटाएको थियो, लास्ट पनि थियो ऊ। म त एकदम शिष्यलाई मन पराउँथेँ।
And a little bit about your bond with your dadi.
Oh, that's an absolutely beautiful bond. I mean, for her, I can do anything in the world.
देशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं प्रभावं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं ऊपर छोड़ने से सारे अशुद्ध हो जाते हैं। हाँ, तो मैं और पूजा कभी भी आचमन जब करते हैं तो उसको सिद्ध नहीं। ओम विष्णु मंत्र सब शुक्लम चंदा पूर्व देवता आचरण शोधने बिंद योग पृथ्वी आधार शक्ति नमः।
कुछ चुना है
चूड़ा का भी आशीर्वाद लेना चाहिए था।
छू लो सब लोग, फिर आशीर्वाद भी छू।
चूड़ा भी छू लो। चूड़ा तो नहीं छू, बर्तन छू। कोई नहीं।
Growing up, maybe you can say we were like, I mean, we were always fighting. I mean, she was a big bully, and since we were always together, you know, holidays were together, we were in the hostel together. So there was a time, you know, where we couldn't stand each other while we were growing up. After my 10th, I went to Dehradun to do my high school. Then, you know, I started missing her a lot. Uske baad, we are one. Maybe we are twins, I don't know what. It is that kind of a relationship where I am her daughter, she is my daughter, mother-daughter relationship, friend, I mean, whatever you want to call it. So, we can't talk, I think.
सृष्टि को भगवान सुखी रखे, जहाँ भी रहे सुखी रहे। नानी का यही आशीर्वाद है। बहुत प्यारी लड़की है, बहुत संस्कारी लड़की है, सभी को सेवा करती है। और दोनों को आज मेरा नानी का आशीर्वाद।
यहाँ पे तूने एक शादी भी अटेंड कर लिया था, ट्रायल शादी, ये भी कर लिया है तो आगे।
Chandan even went for the spa treatment there, you know.
कहाँ?
In Mysore.
Spa treatment? When did this happen? So I want to like just ease it out, no? Before the wedding. मैंने spa नहीं कराया, मेरी शादी है। मैंने spa नहीं कराया। चंदन ने spa कराया हुआ है।
आज तो अपना serious था, getting married.
हाँ, तो क्या कहते हैं? उधर ना गए मैं और मदन के पापा।
तू फिर से बाल काटने गया था ना?
कब?
कल? हाँ।
नहीं गया। कहाँ गया? खुद ही कर
वो
लिया।
किडनी बेच के तो आया था 2 फीट
True Fit and Hill तो भाई किडनी मांग लिया बे उसने मेरा। आगे पापा आगे। आ जाओ। मम्मी क्या है? अरे वो उन्होंने कहा था लास्ट बनाने के लिए मम्मी होनी चाहिए। She is very close to her dadi, so her dadi wanted us to get married, like before anything bad happens.
My mom had just had a major surgery, and at that time, of course, she was in a very frail health, you know.
That was a wish that she wanted to see me get married because my granddad had already passed away, and
She, folded both hands and she pleaded in front of Ritesh on a video call, and Ritesh felt very bad. And at that time, of course, he was just 24, 25, I think, Ritesh, and he didn't want to marry. Of course, he was too young,
this was just a discussion that I had with Ritesh on the phone one day when I was in Nepal that do you want to do an engagement just to, calm her down or something?
And I was like, ये तो नहीं चमक रहा मेरे को. If it means like putting my career on hold and life on hold, because I don't think so I'm capable enough right now to, let's say, have a family. So then let's probably call it off. गुस्से में she was like, हाँ ठीक है. So then we kind of broke off.
He wanted to really make something out of his career and he was just starting out, so he was taken aback and he's like, no, this shit is not happening, like I'm not doing this right now.
For a couple of months, he was quiet. One fine day, I just asked him because, Shrishti was going through hell, I must say, because, she was very depressed and all that.
I would cry myself to sleep, but I wouldn't call him and all that.
I just got a PlayStation. I used to just come home from work, play games all night, sleep, go to work. This was it for I don't know how long. In the end, I was like, ये तो नहीं हो रहा मेरे से. This period was, I think, 5 to 6 months kind of a period in which our friends were like कि कर लो बात, ऐसे थोड़ी होता है, ये है वो है. I agree, ऐसे तो नहीं होता ना यार. जो सब कहते हैं ना like कि love will make it work. It doesn't make it work a lot of times. Like you need, like ऐसे घर तो चाहिए ना रहने के लिए. तो I was like, Dadi is the one. I was like कि ये तो figure out करना है and there's nobody who can kind of spoil this for me, no matter what.
I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. I'm giving you all my love. Will it be enough?
I was like, हम ना कल जा रहे हैं इसकी दादी को convince करना है.
Of course, she's the one who played the main role because getting her approval, to get back was something. So
Went to her house straight up and met with her बुआ जी and दादी and I was like, देखो आपको पसंद है, उसकी खुशी से आपको फर्क पड़ता है, बट वो तो खुश नहीं है मेरे बिना और ना मैं खुश हूँ, तो इस बात का क्या पॉइंट है फिर? कि आप चाहोगे ना वो खुश रहे. इतना तो मेरे को क्लियर है कि वो किसी और के साथ खुश तो नहीं रह सकती, ये तो मेरे को ही पता है, और मैं भी किसी के साथ खुश नहीं रह सकता. हम किसी और के चक्कर में we get married to some random people whom we'll never love. There's no point of this, right? Like living without love. मैं आपको प्रॉमिस कर रहा हूँ कि मैं शादी करूँगा.
'Cause even the stars, they burn. Some even fall to the earth. God knows it's now our turn. You have my love.
सुखी र सम्पन्न हुनु, सबैसँग मेलजुल राखेर सबैको मन मरा व्यवहार राखेर सबतर्फ राम्रो हुने तिमीहरूलाई म आशीर्वाद गर्छु. भगवान्ले गरून् तिमीहरूको हर मनोकामना पूर्ण होस्, सिद्ध होस्.
Relax.
No, and Jitu are holding me like
Now these boys are holding the chart. We have to go now. Oh
Okay.
no.
तो फिर एक कम पड़ गया।
एक कम पड़ गया ना, पहले तो संकल्प था.
वैसे तो मेरे लगे मेरी बनते हाँ भाई
रिचिंग को जा क्यों रहा है?
ग्रेस
पीछे चेयर के पीछे
इसके ऊपर ही ऐसे
This woody look is looking very sexy.
Tell them to finish fast, yeah. मतलब I'm bored now.
she's too I've like waited what 8 years to this day to go from my boyfriend to my husband and my girlfriend to my wife.
Come quickly, let's go get married. Let's enjoy our life now and let's just have the perfect life.
अभी वाले 8 years, अगले 8 years, उसके बाद के सारे 8 years is all I want. ऐसे तुम्हारे साथ करें start.
Okay, I love you. Mwah.
तू मेरा
Super, thank you.
मैं तेरी रब मेरे महर तेरी जब सूफी रंगों से तूने दिल को है छुआ लगता है मैं जैसे रब का नूर हुआ एक तन बस जाना दो मंजिला एक घर बन जाना And I will wait for you And I will wait for you I will wait for you And I will wait for you
एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भय निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभं गुर प्रसाद जप आद सच जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक होसी भी सच
मिलन वदाया वदाया मिलन वदाया
दादा धेरै काम गरेको छु तपाईको माछा ल काँचो माछा चुहेको डु वाश प्रपरली बाबा पानी सकिन्छ पहिले माथि
We've spent 36 years practically.
I Marriage is made in heaven.
That's-
It's destiny.
It's
It has to
destiny,
happen. It
yeah.
happens.
It just happens.
दोनों बच्चों की मैरिज हो रही है एंड दोनों बच्चों को आशीर्वाद दे रहे हैं, ब्लेसिंग दे रहे हैं। ऑलमाइटी की सब ब्लेसिंग्स हैं, हमारी नहीं है। आई थिंक सुपर पावर है वो जो ये सब ओकेजन बनाता है। आई थिंक
पहली बार ही कि इस दिल में दिल लगी, धड़कन भी तुमसे जुड़ी, उस पल से इस घड़ी तुम सा ना कोई कहीं, हमदम हम नशी तुम्हें, तुम साथ तो मिली जन्नत मुझको यकीन, इन बाहों में तेरी।
I'll tell you one thing about my daughters, both my girls are educated and they found someone who they like, want to live with. After that, I don't have to worry. My child should be happy with the person she loves. I didn't shed a tear for my elder one. I'll never shed a tear for the younger one because they've got what they want, which I feel great about.
जिस दिन तुमसे मिली हूँ तब से आज तेरी ही परछाई चली साथ साथ, तू जहाँ दुनिया वहाँ मेरी, मैं जहाँ दुनिया वहाँ तेरी।
अब दिल ये कह थम जाए हम जरा, बस जाए हम यहाँ, वादा करो करो ना, कुछ दिल ये कह रहा, तुम मेरे हो सदा, कम होगा प्यार ना, वादा किया ना, कल भी थी आज भी ये आशिकी, कल भी थी आज भी ये आशिकी।
People say right कि जैसे my wife, my girlfriend, मेरे को ऐसा फील होता है her husband, her boyfriend.
When we got back after the breakup is when I think that I realized that he is really matured and he is now ready to take the decision and to take the plunge and everything. So very glad that happened. Breakup happened. खुश सब अब अच्छा है सब कुछ.
तू वो रास्ता जो घर की ओर जाए, तेरा वास्ता तो जिंदगी बनाए, बस तेरा था तेरा एतबार, इस पल का था हमेशा इंतजार, वादा करो ना, अब दिल ये कह रहा, थम जाए हम जरा, बस जाए हम यहाँ, वादा करो कुछ दिल ये कह रहा, तुम मेरे हो सदा, कम होगा प्यार ना, वादा किया ना, कल भी थी आज भी ये आशिकी, कल भी थी आज भी ये आशिकी।
तोड़ दो
Are you feeling sad about Shrishti leaving? Me?
Sad, of course, she'll be going away, but happy also for her. It's only during this lockdown period, 1 full year, one and a half year almost, first time I stayed with her. So now each and everything I'm going to miss very much.
I don't miss anything, huh? Because they always there with me.
Take photo, okay?
I don't know how I'm going to leave my family. It's just been like morning I wake up, my mom's right beside me. Night I'm sleeping, we're together. So, and the kind of bond that we share, no, it's like, I don't know if you watch Sarabhai versus Sarabhai. I'm like Roshesh and she is Maya Sarabhai. Like all the time we'll just keep, like those things. So it's going to be extremely emotional for me because now I'm like, now leaving them and going. Though I've always been away from family, but this is something completely different.
Choti, you have always been my Choti. You are always mine. You're going to a new family. I don't know what I'll do without you and what this family will do without you. Take care of them like the way you have done to us.
You're a smart, independent, beautiful girl. Follow your heart, but never get carried away. This is a fantastic guy.
Shrishti can tell Ritij anything and everything, what she has in her heart. That little secret talks that happen between the two and, obviously which I am not supposed to know, but I know that he is going to be there for her.
Ritij, I need a promise from you. I hope you treat my Chotu well. I wish you a very, very happy married life. Hope you all live happily ever after that. And my lots of love and blessings to both of you.
We've never spent more than a day together in the last 6 years. I have never taken a holiday in the last 6 years with her. I think it was that. I wanted it to work. I am just looking forward to waking up next to her because हम कभी मिले ही नहीं 2 घंटे से ऊपर. I have not seen her ever. How does she look like in the morning? How does she look like before she sleeps? How does she look like during the day? I have not seen that. That is what I look forward to.
यकीन है मुझे मेरे दिल पे गुजरा कल जो भी हो तेरे संग हूँ मैं ये वादा है चाहे जो भी हो मगर जान ले तू प्यार उतना भी मुश्किल नहीं अगर है भरोसा दोस्ती पे तू थाम ले मेरे हाथ हंसते हंसते तेरी खुशी मंजिल मेरी हम दोनों है राही रास्तों का साहिल यही
I wish only Ritij and Srishti very happy married and long life.
Srishti, Richi, you both are very close to my heart and God bless you. और हमेशा हंसते रहना, बहुत प्यार देना और बहुत ब्लेसिंग देना मेरे से हमेशा.
Srishti and Rajiv, we'd like to wish you all the very best. You've put in a lot into the relationship and into the wedding, and we hope you live happily ever after.
तभी होगी बातें
सृष्टि का है?
अबे तुझे पता तो तेरी बीवी
सॉरी महक को बुलाओ, महक का है। मनन हाँ ना, करना क्या है जो तेरा मन करेगा।
So, supposed to speak about Richi and Shrishti. Obviously, beautiful people. One is fat, one is Chinese.
To start with, Shrishti, thanks for taking one for the team. I mean, now that's a full-time job. And I've seen Richi from being a millennial to a married man. Start from college, and I don't think any two people start something so beautiful and new. Congratulations.
Genuinely, I think हाँ सबसे ज़्यादा खुशी मैंने एक्चुअली जब रिची कल आया and I saw the level of happiness. बिना नशे करे बंदा इतना
पहली बार मिला था, कहता है लड़की बाजी करेंगे। फिर मैं की तो सृष्टि मिल गई, बट उसके बीच में एक्चुअली एक पॉइंट हाँ नहीं, रिची इज वन ऑफ दोज पीपल, आई एम नॉट इवन जोकिंग, लाइक व्हेनेवर ही कम्स टू व्हाटएवर सिटी you're in, he will give you a call and he'll meet you. The last person I met before the corona lockdown was Richi. उसने ही बॉम्बे में फैलाया है। 100% it has happened.
I think Richi was the first guy I met when I came to SIMC. मैं late join करा था, आके बैठ।
That was him.
No, that was him.
He got offended. That was me.
So I was sitting SO4 में बैठी हुई थी अकेले, सब चिल कर रहे हैं, दोस्त था नहीं मेरा। रिची आया, पता है मैंने क्या बोला?
I just made an observation, man. I mean, this entire thing in the gang is the first couple who's actually been married now. It's great. I mean, I don't know, man. You've been a millionaire, but you've got a deal of a lifetime. That's the only thing.
She's a wonderful, wonderful person. Every single moment I've spent with her, she's filled with surprises and sparkle and glow. She's always been there for me, and personally she's just like my sister, and she's a part of my family.
I know her as the same girl that I knew the first time I met her. She's still the bubbly, like full of life, wants to do everything by herself on her own terms.
She is so mature and she was so nice and kind. I've learned so much from her. She's a little sister, a very good friend of mine, and she needs pampering. She needs a lot of pampering. Not an easy person to be with. Especially, just want him to keep her as happy as she is right now and even more.
But thank you so much for being such good people, and I think you guys are going to have an amazing life together. Please travel the world.
But of all my relationships, she's the most ironic one.
And well, I always say that she's a unicorn of a person, probably the purest person at heart I've ever met, and the sweetest.
Generally, यार एक दूसरे का ख्याल रखना सृष्टि से थोड़ा ज़्यादा, and I love you guys so much.
I hope you all stay this way. नहीं होंगी यार. I'm so happy that this day has come.
We love you too, Garima.
Titu and Richi, all the best. Congratulations. Richi, तो ध्यान रखना टीटू का, okay? Else I'm gonna come for you.
Hi Giri, hi Ritij. I'm so happy that you guys are here at this point in your lives. I've missed hanging out with you. So yeah, all the love and like blessings from me.
But I'm genuinely so happy, and the entire weekend has been so full of happiness. You can see on everyone's faces. Everyone's so happy right now, and it's just because of the two of you.
Yes. Please, Richi, खड़े हो. No, first Shrishti. It is Richi from now on. It's first Shrishti.
मैंने कहा जहाँ बैठे थे आधे लोग इतना पैक हो जाती है। नहीं अरे हाँ से है एक सेकंड है मेरे पास। ऐसे सिस्टर को एक बार बोला उसका कभी नहीं हाँ करती इस बात पे। तो सम टाइम जब हम ऐसे क्लास में बैठे हुए थे
and walking into the classroom.
अच्छा क्लासरूम एंड आई थिंक तब से मैंने तो मान लिया था कि सृष्टि की हाँ है ऐसा सृष्टि को 8 साल लगे हाँ करने में। अब मैं से वो लिखा वाला पार्ट पढ़ूंगा, जैसे लिखा हुआ था जो तुम्हारे लिए हाँ yeah. So I think we spend like a lot of our lives saying things indirectly, giving signs, making gestures, but like today I just want to say in the simplest of words that I will love you forever.
We got the shot.
Guys, खाना खा लो 15 मिनट बंद हो जाएगा।